Yeah, very good. So mag-play tayo, madali lang naman lalaruin natin. Sige, ganito. Ang gagawin lang natin ay exercise game. Nag-exercise ba kayo? Very good. So mag-exercise na tayo. Ang gagawin na lang, may nag-i-English po ba dito? Yung tatlong bata. Pero nakakaintindi lang po ng Tagalog. Nakakaintindi naman. Very good. Ito, English speaking po talaga to. So, konti lang yung Tagalog na intindihan. O, paupuin nyo muna. Hindi, joke lang. Diyan ka na, baby. Sige, subukan natin mag-Taglish. Move kayo na konti dito para kita kayo. So, mag-exercise tayo. We can do exercise, okay? All you have to do is raise your hands. O, English na yun, ah. Raise your hands. Two hands, like this. Shake. And then, meron tayong hawakan ng mga parts of the body or itatouch natin yung mga parts of the body natin na dapat alam natin lahat yan. Kasi alam ko naman lahat kayo, nag-i-school na, tama ba? Very good. O, example, pag sinabi kong touch or hawakan ang mata, your eyes. Paki-touch. Where's your eyes? Touch lang, touch lang. How about your ears? Tenga. Your mouth, your nose, and hawakan ng paa. Your toe. Paa. Touch. Pakihawakan. Yeah. Tuhod. Your knees. Your shoulder. And your head. Oh, we can do exercise, ah. So you ready? Touch your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head, your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your toes, your knees, your toes, your knees, your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head. Where's your head? O, saan ang ulo? Hawakan ang ulo. Ayan, listen ha, makinig mabuti ha. Kapag sinabi kong i-touch or hawakan yung paa o your toe, tapos humawak kayo sa tuhod, sa balikat o sa ulo, ibig sabihin, mali. Kapag mali, tanggal. Ganun lang kadali yung games. Okay? So, we can do exercise. Once again, practice. Taas ang kamay. Once again, raise your two hands. So, practice muna tayo. Practice. Ready? Nakinig ha? Listen, ready? Everybody touch your head. Push your head. Your shoulder. Your knees. Your toe. Push your toe. Kung may tulak, nanonood na po. Your toes. Your knees. Your head. Push your head! Push your head, Nikolai. Very good. Two hands lagi ang ipangahawak o ipang-touch natin. Okay? Okay, before we start, bago tayo mag-start na ng game, mga parents, palakpakan ninyo yung mga anak ninyo para ganahan sila. Ayan, i-cheer up nyo po sila. Sige, ready? No more practice na. Okay? So, if you are wrong, you are out of the game na. Okay? So, kailangan listen carefully. Okay, ready? Raise your two hands. Shake. Everybody, exercise. Your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head, your shoulder, your knees, your toe. Oh, uli, dalawa. Oh, ang taas ng paa nyo. Sorry, konsi. Out na agad. Touch your toes. Nikolai, hindi pa. Touch your toes. Nikolai, touch your toes. Your knees. Your shoulder. Your head. Your head. Your shoulder. Your knees. Paa, tuhod, balikat, ulo. Paa, tuhod, bali, ulo. Tatlo agad yung tatlo.
Excuse lang yun, ulit.
Kasi Tagalog.
Ulit.
English ba? O sige. Nakalusot. O sige. Oo nga pala, sorry. O sige, taas ang kamay. O, nakalusot nyo na kasi Tagalog pala, no? Dapat English. O sige, ready? Touch your toes! English na yun, ha? Sorry, out na. Wala talaga, ha? Malinis yun, English na yun. Touch your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head. Tayo, bawal po ang nakaupo, ha? Touch your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head. Your shoulder! Sa dalawa. Tatlo. Baba ng shoulder nyo, pa-check up kayo, ha? Out na. Move. Galing ni Atino. Atino po ninyo. Sige, one more time. Raise your hands. Two hands. Shake. Galing, ha? Sige, Atino, galingan mo pa, ha? Okay, ready? Touch your head, your shoulder, your knees, your shoulder, your knees, your head, paa, tuhod, balik, ulo. Ay, English ba sila? Hindi pa tanggal. Sorry, mali. Akin. At pala English, no? Sorry. May sabi ko kasi Tagalog, eh. Sige, one more time. Ready? Touch your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head. Ha? Nakakawak ba? Ready, one more time. Ready? Touch your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head, your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head, your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head. Palakpakan ka lang sila, guys. Magaling. Sige, last round. We can do it faster na, ha? Okay, what's your name? Aiki, tama? Aiki. How do you? Ilan to? 5 years old. How about you? What's your name? One more time. What's your name? What's your name? Mateo. Atina Mateo, tama? Mateo ba siya? Hindi. How old are you, baby?
5 old.
5 old? 4. Pangalan? Ilang taon na? 12. Ikaw, pangalan?
Dali.
Sige, galingan nyo, ha. Last round na to. Pag walang na-out sa inyo, lahat kayo panalo. Last round na, galingan nyo. Baka ma-out pa kayo, ha. Ready? Taas ang kamay. Raise your hands. Come on. 2 hands. Shake. We can do it faster. Ready? Touch your head, your shoulder, your knees, your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your toes. Nalobat. Masyado mabilis. Touch your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head, your shoulder, your knees, your toe. Sabi nyo, sumakit yung ulo. Sorry, ha, pasensya na talaga, out silang dalawa. Mabagal na yun. So, bawi na lang sa next game, okay? Palakpakan muna natin sila. Clap your hands for Athena. Thank you very much. Of course, we have a winner. Palakpakan naman natin silang dalawa, guys. So, mami, yung prize natin. Ito yung prize natin, partner, pakikuha nga. Ayan. Congratulations, kayo ang unang halo. Kayo first winner sa ating first game. So, bahala lang yung dalawa dyan. Ay, ang sasarap naman ng prizes ni mami. So,